Good morning, Mexico! Today in iBreakfast, we have some incredible guests that will make you forget about all your food problems in a second.
Hello, folks. I am Chef Roberto, and I will tell you some recipes to have a great breakfast, meal, and dessert. I guarantee you will love them. Also, let me present you to the awesome cook and nutritionist Dalila.
Hi guys, that's right. I know many tips for you to control your diet and don't gain weight and feel good about yourself again. My first tip is to eat a healthy breakfast. This way you have enough energy for the day and won't feel like you need more. It obviously takes time, but if you want something, you can achieve it.
Also, drinking a cup of water before taking breakfast helps to clean the system and start the machine.
That's right, Roberto. Also, eating small snacks can affect your diet now and then. If you get to control yourself, you can lose weight because you will only eat what you need and not till you feel guilty for eating a few more snacks.
Haha, snacks are good, aren't they? Well, if you love eating them, you can change your chocolates for some dark one. This kind of chocolate is better for health because it increments your levels of dopamine, so you get to feel happy and you don't get so much sugar to your body.
Another snack you can prepare are apples or fruit with yogurt, so you can get the sugar from the fruit and some flavor from the yogurt. It's one of the best combinations because it gives you energy from when you have to reload.
Have you ever eaten dry fruits? Well, consuming at least 5 Indian nuts can help you, but eating them with dried grapes and cranberry will not only be a true combination of flavor, but also a gigantic opportunity to recover.
To trick your mind, you can start eating smaller plates instead of the big fat ones I know you have in your kitchen. This way, your mind will think you are eating more and won't be that anxious to take another plate. You can still serve the same quantity of food you usually eat. It's just for you to don't eat again.
Of course, if you eat in large plates and leave some space in them, your mind will think you have to eat more. While in a smaller plate, there's gonna be no more space for jokes.
Indeed, that's true. I always eat in large plates, and if I see an empty space, I will cover it with some food. I don't know why, it's unconscious. I think it's because in my mind, I think I am eating less than I should.
That's normal, Roberto. So what I recommend in these cases is to do the method of the plate. I guarantee you it will make you feel and be better.
Oh, now that I remember, Chef Roberto has a special recipe to share with you guys. Chef Roberto, you may proceed.
Yummy! I hope with this you can find a way to follow a healthy diet.
For breakfast, you can have a cup of yogurt with apples, pineapple, and mango. The mango is very nutritious because it has fiber. It helps you have energy for the day because of the sugar it has naturally, among other things.
That's true. You can also cover it with granola and amaranth. You can also use fruits of your preference.
Yes! Also for meal you can have a small plate of broccoli soup. And next you can have a plate of rice, chicken and vegetables like broccoli, spinach, corn and carrots. Don't forget about the water. If you want to reduce your weight, you need to stop drinking alcohol.
That's right. You can drink water or natural juice. That will help your metabolism.
Oh, and don't forget the dessert. That's my favorite part. Do you have something for dessert?
Yes, I do. You can have a banana split with natural ice cream, low in sugar and considerable amount of dark chocolate. And to finish, a cherry on the top.
Oh, that sounds delicious. And don't forget to exercise. So what you eat makes effect and the sugar to go away.
I heard about a miraculous diet for desintoxicating. It's called the vegetable diet and it mainly consists in drinking juice of certain vegetables so your stomach is clean and shiny in a week.
Yes, this diet serves pretty well if you do it for breakfast. But never forget you have to eat some healthy food so the diet doesn't collapse. It's preferable not to eat really acid food and to maintain a regular diet.
You can have your normal food but without chili sauce or lemon, which are really acid, and current seasoning in Mexican diet. You can also have a good meat stick with a little bit of salt and no lemon. Sorry guys.
Well, you heard the experts. If you want to have a better development, you have to follow the lead as it says. If not, you will have suffered for nothing, and believe me, You don't want to spend another week without eating taco.
Thank you so much. I hope you heard well the tips, guys. Don't forget to drink enough water every day for you to have a good digestion and avoid headaches and other pains. Thank you, Mr. Roberto and Miss Dalila. It was a pleasure having you in the program. Also hoping to have you back for some Christmas hacks. Thanks to iBreakfast. And thank you, Camila, for inviting us. And don't forget to start this year with a healthy diet.
It was our total pleasure. Remember, use these recipes for the holidays.
Thank you for tuning iBreakfast. See you next time.